We are approaching all-time highs in the stock market. People are making so much money trying to predict the market. It is showing that we will get a market crash very soon. And I want to warn you. In this video, I'll explain to you why this is and how you can get protected. Hi there, my name is Jaime Shekaiba and welcome to your personal finance channel, The Foreigner in America, where I teach locals and foreigners what to do with their money to make it grow, multiply. If you're one of the persons that likes money topics, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so you don't miss any one of my weekly videos. The stock market is overvalued. No one can say otherwise. You have companies like Tesla at stupid high prices with no EBITDA, and more companies popping up like zombies. You have people like Harry Dent, who predicts there will be a market crash by the end of 2022. And a lot others that predicted this year. The Fed keeps printing money to help out people and businesses with stimulus and paycheck protection programs and all this good stuff, and it keeps lending businesses money, and those businesses keep making more money out in the stock market. But remember what President Biden just said. It will get worse before it gets better. When COVID hit here in America, we lost a 9.5% of GDP that quarter. That corresponds to 32.9% for the year. More than 19% of all the companies in Wall Street are acting like zombies. They're getting all this money as debt, but they do not have the operation to pay back their debt service. So what will happen? They'll all go bust whenever COVID and the stimulus goes away. And then the vaccines, they will start rolling out between Q2 and Q3 of this year, like really abroad. And by the time this happens and the government starts sending another stimulus, it will be too late for this economy. We are inflating the economy with a false promise that everything will be fine and the market will never correct itself. Do not risk all your money in the markets, because trust me, the market will correct itself. It could just drop 50% and make you lose half of your money, like this projection over here. Actually, there is a great video I just saw from Meet Kevin where he shows how the velocity of money works. I will link it below in the description if you want to check it out. He said that there is a way you can track how much money there is in the economy in trillions of dollars, and then grab the country's GDP and divide it by that money to see how many times the money is moving around from place to place to place. That's what he calls the velocity of money. And right now, that velocity is very low compared to like 2 years ago. But there is so much more money in the economy being injected every month. So what happens when you take COVID away and you take the stimulus away? People are gonna start spending all this money fast, and that will cause a lot of inflation and probably, very likely, a market crash. Interesting, right? If you're highly invested in the market, let me give you some recommendations. Hedge yourself with bond, funds, and put options so you don't get destroyed when the market drops 50% anytime soon. Do not invest all your money in high-risk stocks like Tesla and Bitcoin. Diversify your portfolio with investments that will give you lower returns but act like a cushion. And if you're planning to get into the market for the first time, be very vigilant with your money. Don't put all your money in the market that you will need to spend in the next 1 or 2 years. Remember, the market is long term. If you have money that you have to spend in the next year or so, do not put it in the market. And buy real estate and hold it as an investment, because that's very secure and it will help you overcome your losses in the market whenever they happen. Now let me give you my foreigner insight for this topic. When I play baseball, I don't like home runs or grand slams. I usually go for hits and singles and doubles to win the games. Having said that, I prefer buying index funds that consistently give me returns year over year. Even though those returns are smaller than going to a high risk stock, I have a peace of mind when it comes to investing. Whatever your risk tolerance is, that's the way you should invest in the market today. Do not risk your life savings in high risk stocks like Tesla or Bitcoin. Keep several streams of income coming in, diversify your investments, and just keep up the good work. If you like this video, give me a like. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so you don't miss any one of my weekly videos. And until then, I'll see you next time.